Welcome back to the Sanity Project. Well, we have a result. You would have seen on my previous video that I was trying to repair the squishy door handles in my old VH Commodore. I filled those with a polyurethane sealant in the hope that they were then going to cure all the way through. It wasn't just a small skim, we're talking at least ½ an inch thick. So the problem that I was trying to fix was that there was simply no shape to the handle anymore. You can see that here. Now I'm going to show you the difference between what we had and what we currently have now. That's solid all the way through. It's holding good shape. I'm happy. It's worked. Have a great day.